The animal moments we're going to show you in this video will make you say, interesting. Smart honey badger's not meant to be caged and finds ways to escape every enclosure that's made for him. Coyote proved to this little dog how far he could go to set his best friend free. A mischievous sea otter decided to catch some adventure by stealing a surfboard. An eagle's surprise funny attack on a leaping jaguar's head left the jaguar angry. A mischievous dog wedged between metal bars fooled the locals. The rescue teams arrived, only to find the dog playing a hilarious prank, leaving calmly as they chuckled. This little birdie wants to enjoy the fries alone. The dog knows how to win an argument even if you're wrong, and he did.
Who did this? Blue, sit down. No, you are a bad boy. Blue, stop. Nobody. Blue, listen. Blue, okay, bud.
Malaysian monkey's not a big fan of rooftops and has turned on his invasion mode. The dog first checks around to see if anyone's coming and then intelligently steals the package. The cat in the box played a trick on the cat outside the box. Gangsta Cat controls the big dog and orders him to lie down. The dog's extremely smart and his skills are on point. The powerful chimp has a soft heart and an intelligent brain. After drinking the water from his hands, the chimp washes his hands and shocks everyone. A lazy dog hitching rides on a buffalo, enjoying a leisurely journey through a village in India. The cat's too intelligent for this kind of luck. An African gray parrot, with its remarkable gift of speech and intelligence, answers the questions of his pet parrot.
Hey, what's this called? Rock. What's this called? Block. What's this called? What? Sock. What's this called? Sock. What color? Green.
Tiny finned athletes showcase their aquatic skills, engaging in a captivating underwater soccer match within their aquarium. The video of the little mouse making the most of the downpour by having a good scrub will make your day. That smart turtle outsmarted the crocodile and made a bold escape with its delicious meal. A seagull boldly enters the store, steals a sandwich, and leaves as if it was nothing.
Oh my god, nah, that's the maddest, bro. No, he's taking your jacket off?
The group of friends has an interesting interaction with an orangutan. The orangutan wanted to try off his jacket and pulled it off amazingly.
Can I put it on, bro? He's not gonna put it on. Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro. Nah!
Brilliant dog knows he deserves the best. The bear has amazing expressions and knows how to grab attention. The cow got herself free from the rope and now got a new headband. The golden retriever's not letting anyone take his cheese doodle. This bird should release his own beatboxing album. Poor doggo is framed by his friends, and this proves how our pets are evolving with time. The way this spider's building its web's so satisfying to watch and will leave you stunned. A Jedi dog defies gravity, sprinting on top of pool water, leaving everyone astounded by his electrifying feat. The charming crow demands some extra pets using a brush. They must have Uber for birds. A remarkable dog excels at Jenga, displaying unparalleled balance and becoming a true master of the game. Skylar, the surfing sensation, dazzles spectators with her impressive skills, riding the waves like a true star. In a surprising turn of events, a deer scores a goal and celebrates like a soccer superstar, jumping with joy. Civilized dog knows and follows the rules of the road with finesse. The mommy cat scolds her mischievous kitten for making a mess of the bed. And then she performs a perfect fix-up. The little dog's a gentleman and a true best friend. The cat knows how to play and have fun when alone. Shania was hiding from the world and concealing her feelings. The horse comforted her by pulling her to his chest so she could vent her feelings. This dog's the leader of this flock of sheep and helps the sheep move along. Kind duck feeding grains to fish from its food bowl's too cute. Witnessing dogs behind the wheel's a treat. A true tail-wagging show.
Hey mate, got a job for you.
Friendly alpine parrot opens beer bottles for a couple of New Zealanders.
Can you give us a hand? Cheers, mate.
Parrot asks Alexa to add pulled pork to the shopping list. The evil laugh at the end made it funny and creepy at the same time.
Alexa, and pulled pork.
You already have the shopping list.
The dog thinks the song's actually given her a command and took the turnaround part very seriously. A musical cat harmonizes its melody with the strumming of a guitar, creating a charming duet. A bird effortlessly performs backflips, showing off its impressive skills like a pro. Golden Retriever gives Oscar-worthy performance in this hit-and-run case. Rabbit runs ahead of the dog to leave its scent, then double backs to hide at the perfect spot. A sneaky magpie pretending to walk around while teasing the surprised cat's hilarious. Reticulated python spirals up trees, mesmerizingly, with a graceful spin, showcasing its incredible climbing skill. The tiger's in shock after seeing this duck disappearing. Naughty elephant takes off and hides the woman's hat in the mouth, then gives it back.
My sister just gave me that hat.
Cat's trying to pack up her sibling to send far away. Cat's enjoying the raccoon massage and is not willing to let go. This cat has learned one of the most important chores, serving you water. You won't remain thirsty with her in your home. Smart bird knows how to manipulate the motion sensor system of this grocery store. Intelligent elephant waited for the guy to finish the drum before trying it out himself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.